If you're on the hunt for a music player that balances powerful features with a user-friendly interface, then MusicBee might just be your answer. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dig deeper and find out. MusicBee is a versatile music player designed primarily for Windows users, and it's packed with features that cater to audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Right off the bat, the interface is sleek and customizable, making it easy to navigate through your music library. You can manage playlists, edit tags, and even sync with portable devices effortlessly. One of the standout features is its support for various audio formats, including FLAC and ALAC, which is a big plus for those who prioritize sound quality. The built-in equalizer and various audio enhancements allow for a tailored listening experience. Additionally, MusicBee integrates with Last.fm for scrolling and offers podcast support, a nice touch for those who enjoy more than just music. However, while the core functionality is impressive, some users might find the initial setup a bit overwhelming due to the multitude of options available. It's clear that MusicBee is designed for users who want to dive deep into their music experience, but it might not be as intuitive for those just looking for a straightforward player. Let's break down the pros and cons of MusicBee. On the positive side, its extensive format support and customizable interface are major highlights. The audio quality is top-notch, and the ability to manage large libraries seamlessly is a huge advantage. Plus, the community support is strong, with plenty of plugins available to enhance functionality. On the flip side, the learning curve can be steep, especially for users who prefer simplicity. Some might feel that the abundance of features could be overwhelming, leading to frustration during the initial setup. Additionally, being Windows exclusive might alienate potential users on other platforms. So, while MusicBee is fantastic for serious music lovers, those looking for a quick and easy solution might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, MusicBee is a stellar choice for anyone serious about their music collection and audio quality. If you don't mind putting in a bit of effort to customize it, you'll find it well worth your time. However, if you're after something simpler, you may want to look elsewhere.